1, 2, 3, 4, Mr. Graham's homework help. Oh yeah, homework help. Let's get started. So check it out. You should be on this page if, connect it. Lots of explaining here. So let's get ready to do some writing. Now you will solve the problem from the previous page using what you know about place value to compare the numbers. Explain, show how you can line up the numbers by place value. So what you're going to need to do, if you got your workbook handy, and I hope you do, and I don't have this on the screen, but I have the problem on the screen, but what you need to look back at, not on the screen. So take out your workbook, and, well, you probably have it out. Duh, you're doing your homework. And look back at page 10. And it says, explain and show how you can line up the numbers by place value. So the number they're talking about is, shoot, I don't know. Oh, both the numbers. Okay, now I see it. It's at the bottom of the page, or at the top of the page, or in the chart. It's the one that says 23,643 and 23,987. So they want you to take those two numbers and explain how you can, and show how you can line up the numbers by place value. That's very easy to make a picture out of and put it in a chart. It's a little bit harder to explain in words. But I guess you would say that you can take both numbers and put them in a place value chart. So if I were you and I really wanted to show what I know, I would show a place value chart. So I would draw one. You can draw one by drawing some straight lines, and I have a tool for that. I'm going to draw them right here. I'm drawing some straight lines. You can do that too. Do it right now if you're got your pencil in your hand and you're following along with me. Okay. And if I go faster than you, just pause the video. No problem. Alright. And then I would do that. Okay. And then I've got numbers all the way up to the 10,000s. So I need 5 spots. So I'm making 5 spots for myself. Okay. And then I'm going to label them just to be careful. This is my ones place. This is my tens place. I'm going to put an H for hundreds place. Then I'm going to put a T for thousands place. And then I'm going to put a 10T for 10,000s place. And then I would just, I can line up the numbers by place value, just making sure like this. 2 for one, 2 for the other. 3 for one, 3 for the other. 6 for one, 9 for the other. 4 for one, 8 for the other. And then 3 for one, 7 for the other. And these numbers, if you're not sure where I got them, they're on page 10. So there you go. In what place value position do you begin comparing numbers? Okay, so if you're comparing these two numbers, you better begin at the far left. And what place is that in this case? The far left is the 10,000s place. Okay? And I'm going to put in parentheses the far left. So you always remember that. That was actually an easy one. What is the first place in which the numbers are different? Okay, so let's use a different color pen. And we see that they're not different in the 10,000s place because they're both 2s. They're not different in the thousands place because they're both 3s. But they are different. They're both different in the hundreds place. So the answer to that is simply hundreds. Is it typing or is it not listening to me? Oh, there we go. Hundreds. which I spelled wrong. You know what? If you notice the typing moving slower than my talking, or it's like a weird spelling situation, it's just because my computer's, I don't know, it's just slowing down right now. Hundreds. Explain how to compare the numbers, then write the comparison using the symbols greater than or less than. It's easy. Compare by looking at the first place they are different. And then comparing them is easy. In fact, I'll keep typing it. Why not? I'm already typing. I may as well keep typing. So we've got 23,643 is less than 23,987. Because that 9 is the big one in the first place that they are different. No problem, yeah? Alright. A zookeeper, moving on to number 6. A zookeeper weighed the baby macaw parrots. Blue weighed 1,582 grams, and red weighed 819 grams. Which bird weighed more? Use the symbols, no problem. So one is 1,582, and I hope you realize that he is bigger than the 819 one. So blue weighed more. I wouldn't just write the numbers because I think they want us to use words to explain our answer as well. But they want the numbers and the words. And 1,582 wins right away because it has 4 digits. And 819 has only 3 digits. And right away you got to be like, oh, one has more digits than the other one. The one with more digits is totally the winner. All right, for number 7, write the symbol that makes the statement true. One has more digits than the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So if one has more digits, it's automatically the winner. Booyah, you're bigger. And you make the alligator mouth, you know, eating the bigger meal. Yummy. All right, move on. A tile factory shipped 342,000. We're on page 12 now, by the way. Tiles in 2010. In 2011, they shipped 342,805. In which year did the factory ship more tiles? Use the symbols. Show your work. All right. So let's show our work. Let's write both numbers. 342,085. I'm just getting that straight from the problem. A little bit of space. And then 342,805. How are we doing on time? I can't make these videos too long or YouTube won't let me. We have time. We're only at 8 minutes or something. Okay, so you look at this, and you check it out, and you say, okay, which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? And they're both close, and I wrote the wrong number on one of them, sorry. But they're both close because they both have a 0, 8, and a 5, or 8, 0, and a 5. They're trying to confuse you. I mean, notice that the first 3 digits in both of them are the same. 342, 342. And you have to pay sharp attention to the first time they're different. They're different at the hundreds place. The 0 and the 8. So which one's bigger? The 0 or 8? 8's bigger, Mr. Graham. That one's bigger. Solution? The one in, what year was that? 2011 made that much. So, 2011. Thank you very much. Moving on. Now we're on page 13. Last page of your homework. Oh yeah! Last page! It's more of the same, it looks like. Valve's video games sold 11,806 new games and 10,899 used games from May to July. Did Valve's video games sell more new games or more used games? Okay, so 11,000, I'm just looking at the problem again, you should be too. 806 is how many new games they sold, and 10,899 is how many old games. So take a look. Which one's bigger? They both have the same number of digits, and they both have a 1 in the front. But what about the second number? One has a 1, one has a 0. Oh, the tie is broken. Which one's bigger? 11,806 is bigger. So what do they sell more of? New games or used games? Look at the problem one more time. Make sure you match up the number to the words. It looks like 11,806 is for new games. There you go. That's it. We're on the last one, guys. Last one. So happy. All right. Kara, whatever, has 24,560 stickers in her album. Ooh, they're showing you two different ways. So you have to know both different ways. Raul has 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 60 stickers in his collection. Which statement correctly compares Kara and Raul's stickers? Who has more stickers? Circle the letter of the correct answer. All right, so it would help me, if I were a kid, if I wrote them both the same way. So Kara is 24, I'm reading the words and I'm figuring it out, 560. There you go. And Raul has 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 60. You should notice something right away. A, B, C, or D. A, B, C, or D. D. Because these numbers are the same. They're equal. Anna chose A as the correct answer. Ooh, Anna picked that one. How did she get that answer? Well, she didn't do it right, that's for one. But it looks like she thinks Raul has more stickers. Oh, no. Poor kid. You know how she got it wrong? When it was in words over here, she didn't know how to change it into a number. So she got it wrong because she didn't know how to go from word form to standard form. But if you practice, you'll know how to go to word form to standard form. So please, make sure you practice that. It just saved us a problem. Alright guys, this is a longer video than I like to make, but the homework's done if you followed along with me. Good job. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.